여러분, 안녕하세요. 조이예요. And welcome back to How to Say It in Korean. Today we'll learn how to say good night in Korean. As we all know, there are many different ways of saying this in Korean. So let's get to learning one of the most common ways of saying this, which is 잘 자요. Let's first practice the pronunciation of 잘 자요. 잘 자요. 잘 자요. 잘 자요 is made up of two words. The first word 잘 means well. The second word 자요 is a form of the Korean verb 자다, which means to sleep. Put them together to mean sleep well. If you want to say it in a more informal way, like to someone you're very close with, you can just drop the yo and say 잘 자. Keep in mind that you will want to use these phrases with someone your age or younger. If you want to say goodnight to someone who's older than you, then you should say 안녕히 주무세요. But we'll cover that in another video. Now that you know these phrases, get out there and wish somebody a good night. If you're interested in learning more Korean using a very fun and easy method, visit us at 90daykorean.com for more great Korean lessons. Thanks for watching! 잘 자요.